Hey foodies! Ready to discover the best pizza in town? Stick around and watch this mouth-watering journey from dough to oven. First up, check out our cozy little pizzeria. Freshly baked pizza, anyone. Just look at that crust. Now let's dive into the ingredients. We start with the finest flour, fresh yeast and crystal clear water. Add in ripe tomatoes, creamy mozzarella and succulent prosciutto and salami. It's all about quality, folks. Next, it's dough time. We mix, knead and shape our dough to perfection. Look at that stretch. You can almost feel the texture through the screen. Now for the sauce, fresh tomato pulp, seasoned to perfection. Rich, vibrant and oh so delicious. Then it's assembly time. Spread that luscious sauce, toss on the mozzarella and layer with prosciutto and salami. Slow motion, anyone? Just look at those toppings. Into the oven it goes. Watch as it bakes to golden perfection. That time lapse is pure magic. And here it is, the final product. Golden crust, melted cheese and vibrant toppings. Can you smell it? Now, the best part, the taste test. Look at that cheese pull. One bite and you're in pizza heaven. Fancy a slice? Visit us at restaurant name or check us out online. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more delicious adventures.